On today's video, we'll be focusing on the reasons why are we keeping the domestic farm animals, and focusing on what different types of animals, which we are talking about ruminant and non-ruminant. When we are talking about the important, what are the main important of keeping domestic farm animals? For example, we can talk about why are we keeping the horses. We keep the horses because we can use them for transportation and sport recreation. And some of the animals which we do keep are cattle, goat. Yeah, some of the animals which we keep at home, we can use them for food, to perform traditional ceremonies. Okay, now we'll be focusing on different type of animal, which is ruminant and non-ruminant. When we are talking about the ruminant animals, we are talking about the animals which consist of 4 chambers, and they do regurgitate. Meaning of when we are talking about regurgitation, we are talking about swallowing of food and taking them back into the mouth. And those type of animals, they do feed on refuges. For example, we can talk about cows, cattle, sheep, and goat. And when we are talking about non-ruminant, we are talking about the types of animals which consist of 1 chamber. For example, we can talk about chickens as humans, or some other birds or pigs. Those animals consist of 1 chamber, meaning that they don't regurgitate. They just eat food, then they go to the stomach. They don't regurgitate. For example, we can check here. As humans, we do consist of 1 chamber, meaning that we cannot regurgitate. But onto the ruminant, they do consist of 4 chambers, which is rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, meaning that they can do digest refuges which consist of high level of fiber.